This is vocabulary video 2. I'm going to talk to you about the word context and what that means. Context means the words around a specific word in a sentence. If you come across a word that you're not sure what it means, you can look at the other words in a sentence for clues. Sometimes you will see a word that has more than one meaning. And one example is the word right. Right can mean correct or directly. Remember, you can look at the context of the word if you need help figuring out which meaning is the correct one. Here is a sentence from your story, Where Does Food Come From? An apple is picked right off the tree. Here's that word right. We need to decide how are we going to use the context of the word right to find out what this right means. Well, I know that the word right has different meanings. So to figure out the correct meaning in this sentence, I will look at the other words around this word. So we're looking at the words around the word right. I see that the apple is taken off the tree. Then I know that in this sentence, right means directly. You can make sure that's right too, because you can put that word in for right. So an apple is picked directly off the tree. That makes more sense than an apple is picked correct off the tree. That sounds silly, doesn't it? So this word, right, when we use context, we can figure out the meaning means directly. Here's some more practice with context and words that have more than one meaning. Sometimes a word does have more than one meaning. Let's read number 1. These pears are fresh. They came right from the tree. Did I choose the right answer? The meaning of the word right in both sentences is different. You're going to use the context clues or the words around the word right to help you to determine the correct definition. When you come down here, there's a chart with 1, 2, and 3. It has both of the words they're the same, but we're showing that we're using the context clues and we're going to say which one it is. You're going to write and fill in the chart. So for this right, the they came right from the tree means fresh from the tree or directly, like in our last example of the apples. The did I choose the right answer, choose and answer are our context clues. Number 2, birds use their wings to fly. What are your context clues for birds use their wings to fly, the first fly? Well, we have birds and they use wings. Those are our context clues. A fly is buzzing around the room. Now this is a different kind of fly than birds and their wings do. So what are our context clues for this kind of fly? Buzzing around. That's a great context clue to tell us this is those little pesky black things that like to fly around our picnic. Number 3, I wrote my friend a note. Let's use our context clues. Well, you wrote it and it was for a friend. So wrote and friend are awesome context clues in this sentence. I know how to play that note on the piano. Ooh, that's a different meaning, isn't it? Let's look at our context clues. We have play, and we play it on the piano. So here's a look at the ones that we came up with. These are the context clues that will help you to find the meaning when words have more than one.